Welcome to Seattle, the gateway to Alaska. Whether you are planning an Alaskan cruise or just stopping over on your way, chances are you'll need a hotel stay in Seattle beforehand. In this video, I'll be giving you the lowdown on the Charter Hotel Seattle. So join me as we find out if this is the perfect pre-cruise hotel for you. Coming up next. Hi fellow travelers, this is Ken here from Ken Travels 360. If you are new to this channel, I share useful tips I've discovered during my travels, along with honest reviews of flights, hotels and cruises. We are currently stopping over in Seattle on our way from London to Alaska for Alaska cruise with a pre-cruise land tour. For a brief stopover in this city, we are staying at the Charter Hotel Seattle. Located in the heart of Seattle, the hotel is within walking distance of many of the city's top attractions, including Pike Place Market and the waterfront. The Space Needle is also nearby, with the monorail station just a short walk away, providing a quick ride to this iconic landmark. For those arriving by air, the hotel is easily reachable from SeaTac Airport via taxi or Uber. Alternatively, if you are traveling light, you could take the light rail to Westlake Station. From here, it's just a few minutes walk to the hotel. As a member of the Hilton Hotels family, the Charter Hotel Seattle offers benefits to a Hilton Honors member based on their status. Gold and Diamond members receive $15 dining credits per guest per day. Right, it's time to check in to our hotel. Upon entering, we were greeted by a cozy lobby. Behind the reception desk, there is a small store where you can purchase snacks and drinks. The check-in was really smooth, however, we weren't offered an upgrade. We then mentioned that we're a Hilton Honors Gold member and asked what they could do. Eventually, they found us a better room, which is a corner king room. We're now on our floor, level 15, and we're gonna head to our room now. It's 1507. So 1507 is actually a corner room. Let's head inside. The room is really nicely appointed with a very classy and sophisticated look to it. I like those big windows as it lets in so much light. As for the view, there's an amazing panorama of the Seattle skyline. Having said that, there is a rooftop bar here, which is perfect for watching sunset, and we'll check it out later, which is just one floor up. As you would expect, the room comes equipped with all the amenities that you would expect at a Hilton property. There is a large wall-mounted flat-screen TV. Underneath the TV, you'll find some drawers, which I've got to say is a bit of an unusual place to put them. The room comes with a big wardrobe. Let's have a look inside. It comes with two bathrobes. They are so soft. And they are slippers as well. And over here, behind this door, you'll find an iron board and iron. And there's also a safe down there. There's a coffee machine here. And down here, there's a mini bar. It's actually empty there, so you can put your own drinks in there. Well, let's see how comfortable the bed is. Super comfortable. There are plenty of electrical sockets and USB charging ports available to keep your gadgets powered up. Next, we'll check out the bathroom. There's a single vanity here with a large mirror. Lovely marble top here. Over here, we have a big shower. It comes with Lockwood toiletries. The toilet is separate, kind of hidden behind this frosted glass. The hotel also has a daily $25 mandatory urban destination charge, kind of like a resort fee. This charge is rebated as a food and beverage credit. While some may view this as a way to encourage guests to dine at the hotel, the fee applies regardless, so you might as well use this credit. When it comes to dining, there are two places. On the lobby level, you can find Patagon, the hotel's upscale Argentine steakhouse. They serve breakfast, lunch, dinner, as well as afternoon small bites and brunch here. The main course is priced quite expensively. Instead, we'll be eating at the rooftop lounge for room. You get an amazing view of downtown Seattle, and here they serve food as well as a huge variety of drinks, including cocktail, wine, spirits, beer, and whiskey. The food selection is smaller than Patagon, but they are priced more reasonably. So our dinner has arrived. Steve has got the burger sliders. First, I have got the chicken wings. After dinner, we headed straight back to our room and quickly fell asleep. Jet lag woke me up really early, and by 6 o'clock, I couldn't stay in bed any longer. I got up to get a hot beverage, and what better place to do so than the original Starbucks? You can grab a coffee from the original Starbucks at 1912 Pike Place. Here, you can see the original Starbucks coffee tea spices sign. You can see staff tossing cups to the barista who will make your coffee. As I walked back to the hotel, I also checked out the parking situation. Only valet parking is available at this hotel and is charged at $60 per day. Let's check out the rest of the hotel and see what facilities it has. But before we do so, I'll kindly ask you to hit the like button if you've been enjoying this video. And if you aren't a subscriber yet, please consider doing so, as well as enabling notifications. This way, you will be notified when I release new videos. The hotel has a fitness and wellness center, which is all included in the price of your room. Let's go check it out. Wow, this is a big and well-equipped fitness center. Here, you'll find a good selection of cardio equipment like treadmills, cross trainers, bike, etc. And they also have ample resistance training machines and free weight dumbbells. So the hotel also have a steam room and sauna. Well, we're inside the wellness center now. Here, you've got the steam room. Wow, you can see really steamy inside. And on the other side, you've got the sauna. Since we still got some food and beverage credit left, we decided to have breakfast at Patagon restaurant. Right, we decided to have breakfast here. Steve has got the eggs benedict with prosciutto and ham. And I've got the same thing, eggs benedict, but with salmon. They are very expensive here, $23 each, plus 20% service charge and tax. So that would come to almost like $30. Wow. The eggs benedict were fine. We enjoyed them, but they were seriously overpriced. Now, the best thing about this hotel is actually its location. The famous Pike Place Market is just a block or 5 minutes walk away. Founded in 1907, the Pike Place Market is one of the oldest and largest continuously operating public markets in the United States and is a bustling hub of local vendors, artisan shops, and fresh seafood stores. After spending some time to explore and stroll through the historic market, make sure you spend some time to enjoy the panoramic views of Elliott Bay. On a clear day, you can even spot Mount Rainier in the distance. The Space Needle is a 20 minutes walk away. Of course, you could also take the iconic monorail to get there as well. The Space Needle is very expensive, and if you are to do it, you definitely should get the City Pass that includes all these other attractions. Obviously, when you're up there, your view or pictures won't include the Space Needle itself. So consider visiting an alternative instead, the Skyview Observatory. Right, we are going to do the Skyview Observatory now. When you reach the observatory deck, look north to spot the Space Needle and the bustling downtown cityscape. You will also see the magnificent Puget Sound and the cruise port. On the day we visited, both Ovation of the Seas as well as Celebrity Edge were there. Well, we're now looking towards the south of Seattle now, and there are two stadiums here. One is Lumen Field, which is the home of the Seahawks and Sounders Football Club. Next, you have the T-Mobile Park, which is a baseball stadium. But still looking towards south of Seattle, you can see the Mount Rainier. It's really beautiful. Overall, we enjoyed our stay at the Charter Hotel. The food and drinks here are expensive, but then we're in Seattle. The location of this hotel is super convenient, and the room is so well appointed and comfortable. While we could save like $20 to $30 if we stayed at Hilton Seattle instead, this one has much better reviews, and I could see why, having stayed here. Well, I hope this video helped you decide if it's a good pre-cruise hotel. I've got a lot more travel content on my channel, so why don't you check out one of these? See you over there. Ciao. Right, we just got our drinks. Steve's got double espresso, and I got this month's special Halo Frappuccino with mango whipped cream. God, it's mouthful. No coffee at all. Great, and it costs $9.